Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks Cream of Tartar. My friend, this isn't just for baking, although it does make things and fluffy. I don't know, maybe something's gone in your toilet that is also light and fluffy. Now, if you hate the smell of vinegar and chemical cleaners, you will absolutely love putting cream of tartar or cream of tartar, however you want to say it, in your toilet. This is absolutely genius, and you probably never thought to use this. Why does this work so well? Well, I'm going to tell you here in just a second. A little goes a long way, and I'm also going to tell you what's in my toilet. No, I did not eat Taco Bell, for all of you putting those comments in the comments box below, but I actually, that is what happens when people eat Taco Bell. By the way, anyway, moving on. Let me show you here really quick, and I'll show you why cream of tartar works so well. You just want to put it in your toilet. If you have really bad stains, let it sit. Let that cream of tartar sit after you've given it a good scrub down. Okay, now the toilet has stopped grumming and growling after flushing it. This is amazing. Why have I not been using cream of tartar my entire life when it comes to cleaning? And it's white, and it just makes you feel better than putting bleach or other things down in your toilet that have a lot of fumes, and vinegar can have a bit of a funky smell. Here's how I like to top things off, and then we're going to talk about that cream of tartar here in a second. I know this is going to seem really strange, my friend. This is just some Febreze fabric softener, April Fresh. This is like cheap poo spray that smells better than poo spray. Why does this work so well? Well, it contains alcohol. It's one of the top 3 ingredients of it, and alcohol kills bacteria. People are going to come to your house and be like, your toilet smells amazing. It smells like fresh laundry. Yes? Okay, and then I'll tell you what's in my toilet. This is acidic. That's why it's used in baking, and that's why I've often used it with stain. I have a couple stain removal videos when it comes to using cream of tartar, and that's why you can use it in your toilet. Now, it's a little strange. You could put this in your cleaning caddy, or a pair of people are gonna be like, why has she got baking stuff in her toilet? And you will impress them. You will let them know, Andrea Jean told me to do this. Now, are you wondering what's in my toilet? Let us know in the comments box. If you guessed soy sauce, then you are correct, my friend. I'm not gonna do stuff in this toilet because you know that doesn't happen. So we gotta be putting some soy sauce in there to give you a good demonstration. Now, if you're wondering about 3 clever ways to clean this toilet brush, make it smell better than ever, click the video on screen now, give this video a thumbs up, sign up for the weekly newsletter, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.